Have you ever wondered why our veins appear blue, or why blood types matter so much in medical procedures? Well, today we dive into the fascinating world of veins, blood, and blood types. Firstly, veins. Veins are blood vessels responsible for carrying deoxygenated blood towards the heart. But here's a fun fact. Veins appear blue, not because the blood inside is blue, but due to the way light penetrates and leaves the skin. The wavelengths of light absorbed and reflected by your skin. Now onto blood, the life-sustaining fluid coursing through our veins. Blood has four main components: red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Each plays a vital role in our body's function. Red blood cells, also called erythrocytes, are responsible for transporting oxygen from the lungs to the body's tissues and removing carbon dioxide, a waste product, from the tissues to the lungs for exhalation. Red blood cells contain a protein called hemoglobin, which binds to oxygen molecules and gives blood its red color. And when you need, new cells are produced by the bone marrow. White blood cells, also known as leukocytes, are a vital component of the body's immune system. Unlike red blood cells, which primarily carry oxygen, white blood cells are primarily involved in defending the body against infections and foreign invaders. They are produced in the bone marrow. By the way, white blood cells have types, each with specific functions. They are neutrophils, lymphocytes, monocytes, eosinophils, basophils. And blood's third main component is platelets, also called thrombocytes, are small, irregularly shaped cell fragments present in the blood. They are essential for blood clotting, which is the process that stops bleeding when a blood vessel is injured. Platelets also play a crucial role in the coagulation cascade. By the way, it is about kind of stop bleeding, hemostasis. And one more thing. Platelets contain growth factors and other molecules that contribute to tissue repair and regeneration. They play a role in wound healing and tissue remodeling, and plasma, the liquid part of blood, carries everything along with it. Plasma consists mainly of water, but it also contains various proteins, electrolytes, various hormones, which everyone use it from organs or something, and waste products. The key components of plasma include albumin, globulins, fibrinogen, electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, and calcium, gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide, and nutrients, glucose, amino acids, and lipids. These elements play crucial roles in maintaining homeostasis, transporting substances, and defending against pathogens. And finally, blood types. You've probably heard of the four main blood types, AB, AB, and O. But did you know that these groups are determined by the presence or absence of antigens and antibodies? If you have A antigens on your red blood cells, your blood type is A. If you are a positive, you can receive from these types of blood: O positive, O negative, A positive, A negative. If you are a negative, you can receive from these types of blood: O negative, A negative. If you have B antigens, your blood type is B. If you are B positive, you can receive from these types of blood: O positive, O negative, B positive, B negative. If you are B negative, you can receive from these types of blood: O negative, B negative. If you have both A and B antigens, your blood type is AB. If you are AB positive, you can receive from all types of blood. If you are AB negative, you can receive from these types of blood: O negative, A negative, B negative, AB negative. And if you have neither, your blood type is O. If you are O positive, you can receive from these types of blood: O positive, O negative. If you are O negative, you can receive from only O negative. By the way, Rh system, which categorizes blood as Rh positive plus or Rh negative, based on the presence or absence of the Rh antigen. For example, someone with A plus blood type has A antigens and Rh antigen on their red blood cells. Well, they are crucial when it comes to blood transfusions. The wrong blood type can trigger a dangerous immune response. For instance, if someone with type A blood receives type B blood, their body will produce antibodies against the B antigens, treating them as foreign invaders.